We look up at the stars and wonder if we're alone. But what if the next great intelligence isn't out there, but something we're building right here? Machines that might one day think. Can a machine, made of wires and code, ever truly reason, feel, or wonder about its own existence? This isn't just science fiction anymore. Today, machines drive cars, compose music, and talk to us. But is being smart the same as thinking? Is a calculator that solves equations actually thinking, or just following rules? As we create smarter machines, we must ask, will they be tools, assistants, or something more? Could they ever share our journey of discovery? Before we look to the future, we must define what intelligence really means, for us, and for the minds we might create. The quest to answer this could redefine what it means to be alive. What does it mean to be smart? For humans, intelligence is a mix of logic, creativity, emotion, and adaptability. We learn from mistakes, solve puzzles, and understand feelings, ours and others. Our intelligence is broad and flexible. AI, on the other hand, is usually narrow and specialized. A chess AI can't bake a cake unless it's programmed to. Humans generalize. A child who learns what a cat is can spot all kinds of cats. AI needs thousands of examples to do the same. The key difference is generalization. We adapt. AI excels at specific tasks. As we make AI more capable, we're trying to bridge this gap, teaching machines to learn and adapt more like we do. But can they ever truly understand, or just mimic? How does a machine learn? Not by reading books, but by processing vast amounts of data, a process called machine learning. To teach an AI what a dog is, we show it thousands of labeled pictures. It finds patterns, much like a baby learns to recognize faces. Your phone groups photos, music apps recommend songs, and self-driving cars learn to stop at red lights, all by pattern matching. AI doesn't think about why a red light means stop. It just learns the association from data. This method lets AI solve problems we can't easily describe in rules, like spotting cancer in scans. AI doesn't understand biology, but it can outperform doctors at specific tasks. It's a powerful tool, learning from experience, but not from understanding. Intelligence is about what you can do. Consciousness is about what you feel. The private movie inside your head. We call these experiences qualia. You know you're conscious because you experience your own life. Intelligence and consciousness aren't the same. Your immune system is smart, but you don't feel it working. Computers can play chess, but do they feel victory or defeat? Almost certainly not. Some scientists think consciousness emerges from the brain's complexity, billions of neurons forming intricate networks. But we don't know the recipe. We can build machines that process information, but we don't know how to make them feel. It's the difference between simulating rain on a screen and feeling it on your skin. One is data, the other is experience. Can AI ever be conscious, or just get better at pretending? Alan Turing's famous test asks, if you can't tell a machine from a human in conversation, is it truly intelligent? Today's AIs can write poetry and answer questions, but do they understand or just imitate? Philosopher John Searle's Chinese Room suggests machines manipulate symbols without understanding, like following a rulebook in a language you don't know. AI can answer questions about love, but it doesn't feel love. It's a sophisticated imitation, not genuine experience. Some believe consciousness will emerge as AI grows more complex. Others say machines will always just execute code. AI can describe the color red, but it can never see it. The debate continues. Are we building new minds or just better puppets? True understanding may remain uniquely human. Where does this leave us? We've built a new kind of ship, AI, that's already transforming our world. If consciousness is just complex processing, Maybe machines will one day truly feel. If not, AI will remain a powerful, unfeeling tool. If we create conscious AI, we'll face profound ethical questions. Would it have rights? Could we turn it off? Or perhaps consciousness is uniquely biological, and AI will always be a partner, never a companion. The journey ahead is unknown, but we're at a turning point in the story of intelligence. What will these new minds think, dream, or teach us about ourselves? The story of AI is not just about machines, it's the next chapter in the story of us.